Morning, guys, it's your boy General Amu once again. This is season 1, episode 4. This is called Ezapampo, part 4. Ezapampo, Sombo, Miami Pampa, Money, somebody, nine, it's all bumper, some bum, so me, I may bumper, so I do money, nine, it's a bumper, so show me, I make it bumper. And it's a shy, I do money, and I'm body. Nine. It's a pampa, Nangu madamina sega peguma damuno. Nangu madamina sega peguma puno. Nangu 16 sega kichumi sovi. Anyitu ya babona sega peganu. Uve kalimba zo egunyame. Tisai doto la mela lighting. Nine. Sabamba, and it's for chai shine some, and it's for chai chwalabam, and it's shy chwalabam na Sabamba, and it's going to ya papa, some shy go say I show man yo. Sabamba. Chome yami pampa. Yeah, I chew man yo. Ay.
It's a pampa.
Sampampa.
No, chilla, I want.
Sampampa.
What do they to say?
Yo. Sampampa. Sampampa. Yo. Sampampa. Sampampa.
What do they to say?
Yo. Nine. Yes, sampampa. Oh, yeah. Sampampa. And you see, Nango Majamina, and you see, Nango Majamina Sega Pegu Majamu, Nango Majamina Sega Pegu, Stin, and you see, Ababana Sega Peganu, Uzi a Kalimba, so Egunyame, side auto, lava cuts and base. Nine. Sharp, you guys. It's the end of Christmas. Happy Christmas to you, all of them in here in YouTube. Peace.